Last time you saw Gheeup, it was a fully functioning drift car. But when you're striving to be the best, you have to continue to take it to the next level. It's full steam ahead for Damo's Supercharged LS S13. With Gheeup and the S15 set to return and only 2 weeks to go, it's looking like some late nights at the shop. So join us on the road to Matsuri. To be central from there to there, which is the wrong way. No, it's not. Yes, it is. No, it's not. It's the right way. We're good. Doesn't get much better than that, George.
Ow! Hit me. I got it. I filled it. We made it. Texas is there. Texas has made it. Give me some nuts. Yeah, Daddy, load me up. Got my nuts. Got my, oh. I lost the nut. Wait, finger on this big clapped out one. Coffee jalopy. Yeah, push son. Get him in. Oh yeah. Screw it. Yeah. That's him, Cobb. This is a big diff. Big diff. Here we on my nipples. I must have gained another nut. Yeah, I don't have a deep socket for all these long boys. How you doing? Alright, I'm here. I'm getting past them. Another gaming one. Skill F one. Tight, I'd say. 5 mil? 5 mil? I can fetch you one. Let me find out of here. George, dead level. Like if we put a level on that, this isn't a level, but we'll put on anyway. Look at that. That is beautiful. So we've got our current fuel cell in the back. This is where all our power comes from. You are unpredictable, George. You were very unpredictable.
Hello from the boot.
What was that?
Right, just in the boot here, reinstalling the surge tank.
As you can see, that's a tank, George. It's surge.
So he's got the dry sump tank mount made for the dry sump tank. He's got his Texas, basically a catch can for the dry sump tank. So the dry sump tank has to vent to somewhere. You don't want it just venting to nowhere, and then this catches it, and then you can drain it out of there. It's generally the only thing you ever drain out of is E85. What we've gone and done, we were also putting the diff breather into there as well, so
it can breathe.
So it can breathe into there rather than onto the track or onto the car or onto the whatever.
We like to catch everything that may or may not leak out.
Now that that's all,
you currently got the Judd man over there starting up vehicles in front of us.
Rude individual.
Yeah,
I'm just putting the surge tank back in. We've got the twin Peterbergs mounted up off the surge tank in this whole little unit here. So that all sits in front of the fuel tank, dry sump, everything like that. So we're just going to put that back in now before we put anything else back in. So
it's not difficult. It's just
tucked in there. Got the rear firewall back out, painted, and put back in.
Looks gorgeous.
So it's all bolted in for the final time.
Can't tell it.
Can't say it.
Sammy boy whipped up a little cross member.
Whipped up a little crossy.
Like, looks quite
swell.
Swell?
Knocked up cross member, went quite well. I was like, Daniel, you want to do this? And he's like,
I said nah.
no. And I was like, okay.
Because I was busy. I thought that was a worm to start with. But it's a piece of gasket. And I was like, wait, that is a worm, and that's a real worm. Because he didn't actually have a draw in my dart. He did. That's how I found out he wasn't a worm, that was a gasket.
So I did,
he did it.
Just knocked it up. Nice.
Actually, mind you,
it's nice and simple.
there was a bit of teamwork there. I ran some nice beads on it.
You did, yeah. You welded it out.
Yeah, we welded it
So
out.
gearbox cross members made. That's easy.
Bolted in, done.
Bolted in. It does have to come back out to put the clutch in. Clutch, I think the clutch will actually be turning up very soon. Should be turning up stuff.
Very soon in the mail.
Brand spanking direct clutch services clutch. Now we're just going to put the boot back together. So
Put the Texas tank back in.
get ready, George.
Put some work.
My back.
Put some work to happen.
Oh yeah. So thanks for tuning
We've
in.
got I don't know if we should tell. We should let them know. Little fella over here signed a contract last week. Little fella. We got to get him. Yeah, little fella over here.
Should I go?
Hey fella. There he is. See, he's popped up. Yeah, he's popped up over here. He did, yeah. No, he's a good little tacker. He's a good little tacker over here. He's been around town, you know. He's done a bit. He knows what he's doing. You could almost say.
Good job.
Unlike this little fuel cell down here. What are you doing?
Struggling.
Struggling? Plug it. Oh, I hit George in the belly.
In the belly.
Oh.
Sorry, George.
That was good, George. I like
See you
that.
there.
Oh.
I'm not. You're.
I'm not.
But you will.
Yeah. Texas at the top end over here. Chuck some new ones on there, Cobb.
Thank you. Why does it smell down here?
Well,
get into
let's
it.
get into it. We're going to get right into it. This is right into it as we can get.
George, start filming the real. Look at me. Look, George, does it look real good? Right job. And that one. So big head. You didn't mark the top one. I did. Yeah, I bet you I did. I bet you brake cranked it off. Bet you I probably did.
You're having a bit of troubles getting the gearbox in.
Go to the left.
What do you reckon is the problem? So you see the gearbox won't go in. That's the issue right now.
Yep.
So when it goes in, say your gearbox is sitting in, it's just not achieving that. So therefore I believe that they're having troubles getting the gearbox in would be the issue right now, from what I gather. Maybe there's too much gear in the box, I don't know.
No, that was good.
No, he reckons he's alright.
He's better, yeah, that's about to work. Yeah, perfect. Take it off.
Sounds about perfect.
Oh, you're doing a twisting and a torque meter, yeah? I'm hacking back. I'm the dance with the boys.
Dance moves, baby. I did feel bad for you.
Yeah, my name. Let's practice that. Yeah. We don't do it enough, so we should get it in there.
Right if we have to do it.
Can be your fire station. If you light them, we fight them. Oh. It's a bit like an avalanche, isn't it, George? On its downfall right now.
But it can go back up.
What's an avalanche when it goes back up? I don't know. What would it be? Avalanche. Lance, what's the backwards for Lance would be? Rocket maybe? Skyrocket? And then it'd have to be Avo, like as in avocado. That's not the opposite of Lance.
Unlatch it, man.
Come out of that for sick. We'll rehydrate, you know?
Where are you going? We got Gheeup back. Welcoming Gheeup back to the shed.
Welcome.
So now we got Gheeup.
And
We got the S13 back there as well. So we're gonna crack back into this. Start putting more stuff into it. Basically, we've got to mod the fan shroud, suit the mechanical pump, put the dry sump lines in, just do pretty much everything.
everything that's not done that you can see.
Everything except interior wise, and then it's going to go off to Lee, and he is going to
fit it all,
carpet everything on the inside, and then we're going to get it back. We're going to start it. We're going to tune it.
So it's going to be so sick with red carpet.
We got two. We got two of the three.
What are you, two of the three what?
Two of the three cars.
What's that?
It's a prank, bro.
Oh, you pulling their leg.
Nah, I don't know. I was trying to get there somehow, but I didn't really get there.
So if you want to duck around the corner.
We got the Gheeup back, so Gheup's back in the shed. We got the S13 back up there, and also
Dun, 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 dun.
we had a special delivery this morning. We got Jared's S15 back, and it's
Half
painted.
a car.
Hey?
We got half a car.
We got half the car back. It's painted. So watch the sequence right now. George, roll it.
We didn't walk over here. We just appeared here. Ta-da!
So Jared's S15's painted.
Might look a lot different.
Looks a little bit different than the last time you saw it. The boys, Tyson and Cruz, have been very busy on this thing, getting it up to the standard that we want it at.
Also, Cruz, you watching this, brother? Where's that third bolt?
Yeah, where's that third bolt?
Where's that third bolt? Top both sides.
Went away with three, came back with. Went away with six, came back with four.
On to you.
Yeah, the boys have been working real hard getting this thing up to our standard. They had a few little surprises in it, I guess you'd say. They found some rust, found some
asbestos.
Found some old. Gotten it up to a standard that we're happy with, and now it is time to basically do everything that we just did to Gheeup to this, plus a lot more.
Just slap it together before Matsuri.
Yeah, that's it.
Yep.
So we got all three cars in the shop. Basically means that we don't leave the shop now. Hey.
You would almost say this is the road to Matsuri.
This is the road. Is the official road to Matsuri. You got
bit of a road, bit of a dead end, but it is a road.
It's a cul-de-sac. This is the cul-de-sac to Matsuri.
And there's a next episode after you watch this one.
The next episode of the cul-de-sac to Matsuri.
Someone say sack.
You heard. It's the wrong way, George. It goes that way. Oh, no, it doesn't. It goes that way. Oh, no, it doesn't. It definitely goes that way. Surely it doesn't run off the back of it, does it? No way. I really hope not, because that would be so dumb. All right, everyone calm down. It's not that dumb.
It's going to be a shootout. You give me a name and I'll shoot. Sam. We've had a casualty. We've hit a paraplegic person, citizen.
What are you trying to do? No, just walk the whole way.
No.
What are you doing?
Do a handstand on it.
Oh.
Didn't you not see what I was up to? Lack of balance, no posture.
Get away from me.
I'm a bit gay.
I'm a bit gay. I'm a bit gay. I heard you laugh. Let it happen again.